Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather here across the AkLaTex. We're going to focus a lot on what's on the way for Saturday. So let's begin with a look at the weather map tomorrow evening. You can see that cold front stretching across Oklahoma. Tomorrow will be a cloudy, rather windy, and pleasant day temperature-wise. A very small chance of rain tomorrow as this frontal system moves in. It will give us the possibility of some thunderstorms that could become severe. Right now it looks like that threat looking highest over the eastern half of the area Saturday afternoon. Here's a look at Robin Cellular Futurecast, and the good news is our model is trending a little bit further to the east with the strongest of the storms. You can see the clouds increasing across the area tonight. As we go through tomorrow, we will see that chance for the spotty shower. Notice the arrows getting bigger. It is going to be rather windy tomorrow with that south wind, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Going through tomorrow night, we will see a possibility for a few storms that could be on the strong side over the northern edge of the area. And then Saturday, as we progress our way through the morning, the chance of rain will shift to the south and east. Notice by 2 p.m. the front just passing Shreveport. And notice not a whole lot of intensity at that time, as it appears these storms may actually pose more of a severe weather risk over northeast Louisiana and closer to the Mississippi River during the last half of tomorrow afternoon. Now, this is only one run of one model. Other models do show the storm strengthening starting in Shreveport and then marching east during the afternoon. So there's still some disagreement, but the trend with Futurecast is that it is pushing the biggest severe weather threat to the east, although this is obviously not yet set in stone. We will see what's left of the rain in Saturday evening. The clouds will also decrease late Saturday evening, and that'll set the stage for the return of lots of sunshine Sunday. A look at rainfall potential, again, given that very optimistic view from Futurecast with the storms further east, you can see the heavier rains closer to the Mississippi. If Futurecast is correct, that's where the strongest storms will occur. In our area, it looks like, for the most part, amounts will be less than 1/4 of an inch. We'll have to keep an eye on the northern sections of the area for some heavier rain Friday night. But nonetheless, if those storms do start to strengthen further to the west, closer to Shreveport, obviously these amounts will need to be adjusted upward. Meantime, this is the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, which has a slight risk over most of the area, but within this risk, it does look like perhaps a higher risk over the eastern edge of the AkLaTex and points to the east. It does appear as if all severe weather threats will be possible. We could see wind gusts of 40 to 60. Some large hail will be possible, as well as the chance for a few isolated tornadoes. Here's a look at Futurecast with the wind gusts. Again, the colors start at 30 miles per hour. Again, it is very, very optimistic on that not happening here, not set in stone yet. Hail, again, if we have any, the Futurecast is correct, it'll be to our east. That too not set in stone. And of course it also shows that any rotation potential obviously would be centered further to the east of the AkLaTex during the latter stages of the afternoon. Again, all of this not set in stone. It's only Thursday. We're talking about something that's 2 days away. We have several more model runs to look at before we get a little bit more agreement in those models. So that being said, your forecast for tonight is looking increasingly cloudy. As a result, we will see temperatures much warmer tonight, low to middle 50s at most locations, 51 in Texarkana, 54 degrees in Shreveport. Tomorrow, expect to see a mostly cloudy sky. It'll be windy and warmer with highs in the 60s and lower 70s, right around 71 in Shreveport, 70 in Marshall, 67 degrees in Texarkana. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will see that chance for the strongest severe thunderstorms Saturday, especially eastern half of the area. And then we cool off, 50s and low 60s pretty much all of next week for highs. Lows in the 30s and low 40s. Coldest morning Sunday night. We'll see lows near or even below freezing over most of the area. Next chance of rain likely holds off until the beginning of next weekend. So again, we're continuing to watch the arrival of that cold front Saturday with a possibility for some severe weather, mainly across the eastern half of the area.